Hey guys, welcome to this video. So this is going to be a quick Polygon MATIC price prediction and update video. So quickly the recap. So in last 30 days we had a crash here, and then we had a short squeeze here which pushed up the price a little bit, and then we had a relief rally which really pushed up the price here a little bit. People were FOMOing in, and right now, like throughout this whole thing, I've been saying, if you go look at my older videos, is that I believe that we are going to go down more because the fundamental things under, like the macroeconomics, hasn't changed. We still have tons of inflation. We still have tons of resources and energy. Like there's war going on, and there's supply chain issues because of zero COVID policy and because of the inflation. Then we have housing markets are crashing. Okay, then we have people are still buying on credit. So there's tons of these things. There's euro crisis, Japanese bond. Basically, Japan has so much debt that it can't repay. So we have tons of these macroeconomics, and that are probably with high probability are going to, for risk assets like cryptocurrencies, the prices are going to go down more. And also Fed has started to do quantitative tightening, which means that they're going to decrease the asset supply and money supply, which are historically, it has happened like a couple of times, or one time at least. It decreased the value of risk assets. So basically prices dropped. And also, if you look at the Q1 and Q2 of 2022, everything has been going down. So we could already be in a recession or heading to recession. And if that happens, I think risk assets like crypto, people will start taking profits to pay their rent and stuff like that. So I think we're going to go down more. And hey, the bear market, in my opinion, will last like 12 to 18 months at least. So for me, I'm just stacking cash, dollar cost averaging Ethereum right now, waiting for good prices to buy in, and then I will go in like a peak. I will just gobble up all the tokens. Anyway, so right now that's what I think. So if you look at the MAC chart here and look at the logarithmic chart, so linear chart doesn't show this because linear chart is good for short term but not for long term. And right now we're looking more at the long term. Okay, so like you would be like, okay, so maybe you have hit the bottom here, right? However, the logarithmic chart shows that the real bottom is literally like here, 3 cent range, even down to like 1 cent. I don't know if we are going to go that low because back here Polygon didn't have that much users, like it has tons more users right now. So I don't know if we are going to go that low, but I think we're going to at least go like 10 cent range, even sub 10 cent. So that's something that to look out for. Also, so let me show you here. So Ethereum is the layer 1 solution that is the most adopted. They're merging from proof of work to proof of stake. It's happening this 2022 September. Basically, and Ethereum is becoming, so what Vitalik talked about, Ethereum becomes like this billboard of data, okay, public blockchain where you can stick data, and then layer 2 scaling solutions are going to scale it. So the data stays on chain with the Ethereum security, and then this layer 2 scaling solutions have used the storage and the computation. Okay, they do the layer 2 solutions do the storage and computation. Okay, but the data is on the chain. And so there are two ways to do this. There's layer 2 scaling solutions, and then there's the layer 1 basically sharding. I'm not going to go explain the sharding here, but sharding is basically like, if you know BitTorrent. So BitTorrent, when you download a movie, no one has the whole movie when they're seeding. They have a fraction of the movie, so no one, it's faster, and that's how it works. So sharding is the same thing. It's literally the same thing. They use the same thing there. So sharding, and then the layer 2. The layer 2, a lot of people don't know about this. Polygon is not actually true layer 2. It's a side chain. So there's Ethereum main chain, okay, and then there's Polygon side chain, and then you have bridge to the mainnet or off the mainnet. And biggest so the Harmony hack that was for like $100 million or something like that, it was because of bridges. So multi-chain bridges are tons of like hacks have happened there. They are very like unreliable. They are not secure. So I'm not a huge fan of like that kind of stuff. So there's better opportunities, in my opinion. They are the true layer 2 solutions. For example, like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Immutable. And these share the same secure security as the actual Ethereum. Okay, so they are the true layer 2 scaling solution. I'm investing more and looking more those kind of scaling solution instead of Polygon. I like Polygon. I've been using it, but in the long term, I think that these kind of like a scaling solutions that have shared security, they will win, because the bridges are so, there's Vitalik talking about that there's so many things can go wrong in the bridging. But anyway, so I think that right now I'm definitely buying a Polygon at these prices, and I think it's going to go down a lot. So that's just my opinion. If you want to learn like what I'm buying and see the list of coins that I'm building for the bear market, and see the hidden crypto opportunity for 2022 that I have discovered and no one knows about, check out the first link in the description. You get daily market updates straight to your email. New insights, new opportunities, much more, and much, much more. You can check out the first link in the description. Join right now. We have a couple more spots left here. And hey, see you inside. Don't miss out. The Golden Ticket newsletter. Thank you so much for watching. See you inside the next videos. See you inside the Golden Ticket newsletter. And peace out.